What do you see?
A bicycle.
A bicycle!
Did you make it?
That's Daddy gave that to you.
It's your birthday present from Daddy. How cool is it?
Big bicycle. You want to get on it? I'll hold it up right here. Go ahead.
And take off.
Go ahead. Oh, hold on. It won't go anywhere. Put your feet on both pedals. See? It fits you.
Perfect.
The other one got too small, remember?
That's a big boy bike,
Right.
Samson.
It even has
Oh my
brakes.
goodness.
See, this is how you stop.
Whoa, adult brakes.
That's how you stop. See, watch. Hold them down. Hold them. It won't go anywhere.
Wow.
Now let go. Now let go of them. See?
Ooh, we're gonna have to teach you how to use them.
Yeah, there's no stops. Remember how you went backwards with the pedals? There's no stops like that. This is how big kids brake with the handles.
Wow.
Do you have to do it all the way back?
Yeah, you could do a mix of both. Because one does the front and one does the back. I'll show you how it works later if you want.
So which one's the front and which one's...
I don't remember.
Oh, this one's...
Well, you can feel
This
it.
one's...
I'll tell you. Squeeze this one. Okay, this one does the back.
That's the front. I knew it because that's...
Well, actually, squeeze one again. Squeeze which one do you have? That one, whatever you're squeezing right now, is the back. Okay, that's
So
the
you're
back.
wrong.
What do you
Okay,
think
so-
of it, Samson? Do you want to look around the rest of the room now?
Movie projector.
A movie projector!
Really?
Yeah.
Where's that? I don't see it.
Up there.
Oh, wow, look at that.
and
What
what-
is
You
that
have to
supposed to
build
do?
that.
Where do you think it goes?
Right there.
Whoa!
So that's why we didn't need the TV down here.
That's right. So we can watch movies really big now.
What do you think?